So what's up? Yo.
So does anyone have the new item?
The new update is sick. Welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be playing the brand new Cinco de Mayo update. Hey yo, the trees. I heard they added a new item. I gotta see this. I don't think we're gonna be able to unlock this today. It's 3, so. Dang, I gotta pee so freaking bad. Okay, it's 3 research points. I don't know if I can unlock it today, but we'll try our hardest. Because in every update, I try to get them unlocked. So I already bought the Cinco de Mayo bundle. I'm so freaking bad, bro. I don't use the bathroom so bad, bro. Let's go unlock this new item before I freaking. I'm actually about to piss myself. I mean, like, I live with my family still, so someone's in the bathroom. Oh, let's go. But I know I kind of started the video like crazy because I'm just trying to get this video over with so I can finally go use the bathroom. Because it literally cuts out my video every time I went to go use the bathroom. So, trying to get this video real quick. Autistic Sarur. Oh my god, every update, bro. Every single update, we get the right amount of research points. Look, I literally posted so many of these updates, like, when it's not even funny, bro. It's a fat backpack. I'm Hulk! Hulk smash! Watch this. I'm gonna jump in the water. I'm gonna dive in the water from here. Oh shoot. Sorry, y'all thought. Now I'm gonna dive in the water. Now I'm gonna dive in this water. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Emergency broadcast! There goes my body. Woo-hoo! Alright. We're back, brothers. Let's go get this new item. Shall we? Okay. So, I don't think that's it. I think there's another one. I seen it in the update link from Watches Scooby. But we're gonna go. What the freak was that? Okay. Ah! Oh my god, I literally had to use the bathroom so bad. It's not even funny. Papa at 1 in the morning, a life not boring. Let's just see a little one there. And that's your football. Go long, Chase! Nice catch, dear! I'm gonna need quarterback. Quarterback is wild. Bro, where's it? Oh, I'm about to explode, chat. Ugh. I'm gonna explode. No, bro! Quarterback. No, I'm literally about to piss myself. It's not even funny. Guys, I might be tweaking in today's video, but it's all good. Y'all mind if I tweak? I might tweak a little bit. No, I'm being dead serious. I'm actually gonna tweak. I haven't used the bathroom all day today. I feel like, oh my god. Oh my god. No, we don't want that. Quarterback! Leave me alone! Oh shoot, I know where we're going the wrong way. It's over here. Quarter Baka! Stop! Why I actually gotta piss so bad, it's not even funny. I might swerve in that corner. Whoa, whoa. No! Ugh! Give me that. I'm LeBron, the glorious king. LeBron. Ah! No, like I've never had to pee this bad before. I think that's it. Yes! Doop, 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 sir. What does this even do? What is it meant for? Okay, I guess it's just a longer stick. But we're gonna find out. Ah! Oh, it also goes on your hip. Doom, 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 sir. Am I missing anything else? Dum, 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 sir. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Okay, I think this is what you do for you. Mine this, you hit this, ting, 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 and then you get some. There has to be something else. It can't just be this. I mean, the update, it looked small. Oh, caves. Caves. What the freak is going on? Wasser Tree is back here. Oh, I gotta piss so freaking bad. Oh, yep, update hit it. Oh. Wonder what they did this time. Oh, it's an OG one. Yep, never mind. I know if I get jump scared by a spider, I'm gonna go to freaking piss myself. Ugh. Guys, it's chill. Don't call me piss pants. I didn't piss my pants yet. But I don't like the bat. I don't think it's that good. I don't understand what is the use for it. If it 2 hits, then probably it's pretty good for $349. But we're gonna go try it before I freaking. Ooh. What does this new item do? What does the new item do?
When you back it with people, they change a different color.
It's a number. I'm going to smack you with my rod.
Yeah, you're gay.
That's what it does?
I got one of my stats.
I'm going to smack you with my rod.
Oh, heck no!
I'm playing.
Weekend!
No.
Hey, never mind. This is
No.
Get your butt! You go your butt!
Turn. Oh my god. Yo, chill.
Oh, it does way more damage.
I'm gonna tag everybody. Ow.
What the freak? Oh yeah? Mr. Julio! Oh my god, am I that goated? I just caught that in the air.
Where's your body? This color. Only one? Who wants a new item? Hey, come
what the freak? Now it's weekend.
Where's your body? Right there. Chill. Someone tried to kill me.
Hey, get this Red Watch! Oh, I'm also a Red Watch too. Shut. Get out of here!
Oh, shoot, I am Red Watch.
I get a swerve.
My body's right there. My body's right there.
Ah!
My body's over there.
I got double now.
Got him.
Every kind of rainbow.
Turn.
Big.
Rainbow.
Quarter Baka.
Orange, green broccoli.
Baka!
Purple broccoli.
I got him. Yeah.
Dang, it actually does quite a bit of damage.
Get over here. I'm not your mom. Hey, chill, guys. I don't want to die.
Come here, boy.
Oh. Yo, little bro killed himself.
Ow.
Suicide.
Boy, there's so much blood.
I don't hate it.
No, there really is.
No. Why are you turning me gay? Because you are gay. I'm actually set up. Oh, kill Blue! I killed her. Bruh.
Just so you guys know, there's Fortnite llamas in Forest.
Wait, there's walnuts? What the freak?
Wait, what? There's Molotovs? Yes, there's llama.
I killed him! I'm too goaded!
Freaking gay llama.
You're stop the cap, buddy. There's no way. Hold on, don't kill me, bro.
Yo, let's go, bro.
Yeah, we could be
No,
friends.
let's-
We could be friends. We could be friends.
Yeah, we can
Red
be
Watch
friends. Yeah, Red Watch friends. Let's go.
I'm gonna hop on the fan. Woo! I got you, cut.
Look, there's one right here. Look, there's one.
Got you.
You think?
Thank you.
That's what Red
go,
Watch
bro.
friends do, bro.
Exactly. Yo!
What is he
Yo,
on
this
about?
guy ain't captain. There's actually llamas.
Hey, yo!
I will kill everybody here. What are they doing?
There is llamas.
Chat.
I'm gonna kill. Get me. Wait, I think these sell for quite a bit.
Going nowhere. You too.
I got him.
I'm too good. Oh.
Wait, hold up. This update's actually kind of cool.
Go.
I like the llama.
Give me some. I'm about to shoot. Oh, baby, better go. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I kind of like this. Wait, hold up. Question mark, how much do... Hey, yo, you could collect them and it'll give you money.
Really?
Yeah, if you grab them, it'll give you money. It'll give you money.
Then we're giving you money, boy. You're welcome. Can you hear me?
That's what you get, doofball.
Ah.
You know?
That's what you get.
You big bag.
Hey, yo, massive llama!
We got a
Massive llama!
Who the hell is that?
Hey, you freaking walnut!
Hey, Josh, you want me? It's on a walnut.
Ow! Man, stop messing with me, come! Oh, wait, we're gonna do this in a private. Hold on, let's go to a private chat. Let's go to a private.
Monkey.
Hey, what is this around me? Question mark. It kind of looks tough. I look some anime guy. All right, we're gonna strap up. Yo, new update's fire though. I'm not gonna even win a cat. So you can literally start getting money now. So I feel like this is a good thing for newbies that don't have money. Like if you only have like a couple hundred, then this is gonna be good. But it's not popping up a couple thousand for me. But maybe if you kill a big guy, you'll get like a couple thousand. I hope, because that'd be pretty cool. Yo, look at that! That llama's huge as AF. It's dead. Oh shucks! Please stun him, please. No! Oh shoot! Doop, sir. Oh, we're so good. We're finna go kill the big llama. Oh, come here, boy! I'm finna jump you. First one, we're getting two. Good. Dang! He's spitting out a bunch. Just stop! Wait, I think we need to get on top of him. Alright, we're gonna get on top of him. What? Okay, it looks like that's a hit point. I think that's the hit point. If we want to hit it there, if we want to kill it. Come on, drain more money. frick? How does that work? Oh, heck no. I'm gonna die. Oh, it's stuck. No, that means all the money's gonna go down there. Oh, hold on. Just gonna collect a little. Hey, Biggie! No! Alright, screw that. We had to sacrifice. Bro, that freaking Biggie pushed me down. What? These fans are not as strong. They're not nostalgic. They're not OG. Bro. Dang, look at my... What is that? Oh, I thought it was company coins. I was about to be like... Thank you. Bro, what is it? How do you get these faster? Okay. It's about to get some WWE madness. So it cries out the nuts. We're killing this thing. Oh, heck no. How did the next bot get here? Next spot get here. Oh, we're so good. These are so good. There's not a big money growth. I'm not getting. Wait, are these the? These are OG Kurt. They're not even. Oh, see, look. I only got 1,000 from. I only got a couple thousand. I only got 1,000. Ooh. Bro, what is this? Oh yeah, we're gonna actually collect these real quick. It's not a fastest money making method, but it works. Not that goofy, but I don't like that much. I wouldn't do it because that's just a big waste of time. But the new item is pretty cool. I'm gonna be real. Hold up, there has to be more to this item. I mean, force has changed. Oh, maybe sewers. You know, because I feel like sewers wouldn't change. Why would it change? I knew I should just watch that Snoop video, bro. We have llamas. I heard we also have a new monster. We're gonna go check office real quick. Oh my god. Okay, so there's a new monster. I think it's in here. Why am I glowing red? It is so cool, but why? I kind of mess with it. It's kind of tough, low-key. If I get stuck, I'm gonna just go up. Get me stuck. Oh, brother. That's what I get. But if you actually go out here, it's really easy to get out. Blink. Alright, we have to save some of our health. So, new item. What is that stormy noise? Jesus Christ. Oh, shucks. Nope. No? Hey, yo, what? That is so good. I'm gonna keep this to see how much it sells for. Hey! Skirt! Fart no. I can't kill him too. I think I must die because I don't see any new. Oh, I'm about to get cooked. Come on, let's play gaming tag, shall we? Come on, I'm trying to have fun. Zoomies! Hey! Hey! Oh, heck no! It's actually kind of fun. Scary at the same time. Oh, I got a sweater in that corner wall. I should just play Gorilla Tag. Oh, you can't get me, doofus. Oh, shoot, yeah, you can. Bro, I never knew it was this easy to run from him. Oh, heck. Oh, no, this is not fair. Hey, hey, it's uneven now. Take 7. Imagine not gonna be able to get me. I'm sorry to piss him off. Oh shoot. Embarrassing. I'm gonna throw a chunk of gold at him. Oh wait, I'm gonna be super from now. What the fart? Okay, now I just want to get over here. Oh my god! Ding dong ding dong ding cha ding cha ding cha dong ding dong ding dong ding. Can't get over here, stupid! Open the door! Open the door! I want to see if this fools up the machine. Oh, I know it's down. Alright. I'm the scariest day. Dang, I got pissed. Alright, well that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna go use the bathroom and I'm gonna go check out this new update. If you're a broke boy, not like me, no, like me, then go over the forest and you can get you can get quite a bit of money, but not as much. Not like 2 million. Bye.